Ghormeh Sabzi means mixture of herbs. And in Iran we used to use herbs a lot in our foods. And usually it was fresh herbs. But of course here it's getting more difficult. We buy them ready-made, dried. It works out perfect anyway. And it's a mixture, the herbs is mixture of parsley, fenugreek, and leek. You can find them fresh if you have time. You can buy them, clean them, cut them. But I'm going to go with the dry one today. That's what I use every time, and it works out fine. If you care to have the dry one, it comes in packages like that. You have to remember the name, Sabzi Ghormeh. So, I think the only place you can get them is in Persian stores. I'll get commission from those stores when you go and get them. So it's about, for two people, about a cup of the dry herbs. Okay. And we need some cold water, of course. It needs 5 minutes, not more. Okay. Now we start with the stew. We cut one onion, one medium-sized onion. In fact, I'll tell you something, you won't believe me. I ordered a pair of glasses, especially for when I cut the onion, so I don't want to have tears in my eyes. I want to protect them. But for one onion is not necessary. So that onion goes in the pot with 2 tablespoons of oil. I usually use canola. Okay, now we have our meat here. It's about ½ a pound. It goes in the pot to get rid of the water. Okay. Now this goes in the pot with the onions and the meat. Now I put the heat on. Some pepper. But the salt, we don't put it in the beginning because it makes the meat hard. Oh, I forgot, some turmeric. That the turmeric, a very good spice. It gives some flavor to the stew. About what can I tell you? 1/4 of a teaspoon. This goes here. Okay. The trouble with us, ladies, we never measure. We just assume. So wait for 2 minutes. And then add some water. I added 3 cups of water, and now I put it in a medium heat. It will boil for about an hour until the meat is cooked and tender. And when we finish it, I'll show you how. Okay. This is how they look. They are special lime. They dried them. They have a very, very strong flavor and a little bit of sour taste. Okay, I am adding some more water to my Ghormeh Sabzi and give it some more time. We have to add some salt, and then we have the lime. It's called limu Omani. Limu means lime in Persian. Omani is a city in Yemen, which is called Oman. They have that special kind of lime. They grow it there. I'm washing them first. And then I poke them from two sides. So they absorb the liquid of the herbs, and they give their sour taste to the stew. This is two of them. You poke it from two sides, and it goes there, and you mix it and let it cook for another 10 minutes, just for the lime to get tender. So the taste, the sour taste comes out. So now I need my kidney beans. I use half, I don't need all of it. I add half of it to the Ghormeh Sabzi. The other half will make it a delicious salad. I'll mix it and see if I did put enough. I think for that quantity of meat and herbs, I have enough beans. So another 5 minutes and we are done. I need to taste it for salt. It needs a little bit of salt. Okay. This is our Ghormeh Sabzi, which looks very good. Okay. That's now that the Ghormeh Sabzi is ready, I tell you how to eat it. You take the herbs, the meat, the beans, and you take a lime or two and squeeze it on your rice and eat it. That's Ghormeh Sabzi goes to the table. Okay.